Hey guys, this is Showman from That Nerdy Guy, and today we're going to be unboxing this particular camera on our YouTube channel. We actually purchased this for filming all our videos, and we kind of did the unboxing already, but we're going to edit that here, so you'll get to know. Anyways, let's not waste any more time and get straight to the video. So let's go ahead and start the unboxing. We have our trusted knife. So many air pockets. So this is the camera and the bag which comes free with the purchase. Let's keep the camera aside for now and take a look at the bag. This is a good quality bag. The clips are nice. Lots of handy storage compartments. Throw that away. This is where you store your camera. This is the strap for the bag and handy places to store your additional lenses. That's nice. I think this bag might be somewhat waterproof. Coming to the strap, this is a very high quality strap and it's working fine, it's top notch. Let's open up the camera now. Good, 50% discount. That's the list of service centers all around India. This camera comes with 2 years comprehensive warranty, so that's nice. This is the SD card. Only 16 GB is provided, but meh, just buy a new one. Only 16 GB. This will get filled up pretty fast. Some CDs, some documentation. Moving on. This is the camera body. All around, this is good. Build quality is also pretty nice. It's nicely weighted. Feels good in the hands. The flip out screen. Very nice. This is where you plug in your external microphones and HDMI connectors. This is the switch with which you choose between the viewfinder and the LCD screen. Let's take a look at the accessories that are provided with the box. So this is the strap, extra eye cups. Let's see what else. There goes the strap, the eye cup. This is the video cable connectors. This is the data transfer cable. And the charger. Where's the battery? There we go. So this is the battery which will power this camera. We'll take a look at it later. Let's open up the lens. We got this camera with the 18 by 140mm VR lens. VR stands for vibration reduction. That's just a kind of optical image stabilization. OIS is a term used by other manufacturers. Nikon calls it VR. And we'll be shooting our videos with this also. Let's see how that works. You can turn VR on off through this switch, and this is the selector for switching between automatic and manual focus. Construction quality is really good, and this is the camera once more. Thanks, see ya. So guys, if you're planning to purchase this particular camera, please do use the link provided in the description. It will help the channel, and if you did like our video and you want to watch more videos like this in future, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel. It's absolutely free. Peace.